Did you know we are on a collision course with another galaxy? Yes, you heard it right. Now, before your heart starts racing, let's take a step back and understand what this really means. You see, in the grand scheme of the universe, galaxies are like tiny specks of dust floating in the vast cosmic sea. And just like everything else in the universe, galaxies are always in motion. Our home, the Milky Way galaxy, is no exception. It's not sitting idle in the cosmic playground, oh no. It's moving, twirling, and spinning, and guess what? It's heading straight towards another galaxy, the Andromeda Galaxy. Let's take a moment to appreciate the magnitude of this event. The Andromeda Galaxy, our neighbor in this vast cosmic neighborhood, is about 2.5 million light-years away. To put that into perspective, if you were to travel at the speed of light, it would take you 2.5 million years to reach Andromeda. That's older than the human race itself, and the size of Andromeda, it's colossal. With approximately 1 trillion stars, it's about twice the size of our Milky Way galaxy. That's right, twice. Imagine a swirling mass of stars, dust, and dark matter all twirling together in a beautiful cosmic dance, and it's heading straight towards us. But don't worry, this isn't happening tomorrow. In fact, it won't happen for another 4 billion years or so. That's a lot of time to prepare, right? So what happens when two galaxies collide? Well, that's a story for another scene. For now, just know that it's not as catastrophic as it might sound. Instead, it's a slow, gradual process taking place over billions of years. So, get ready to embark on a cosmic journey as we dive into the timeline leading up to this colossal event. You might be wondering, how long do we have before this astronomical event takes place? Well, let's start our cosmic clock and take a look at the timeline. We're currently in what we can call the pre-collision period, a time of relative peace and calm in our galaxy. This period will last for quite a while, approximately 4 billion years, give or take a few million. So, no need to cancel your weekend plans just yet. During this time, the Milky Way and Andromeda continue their cosmic dance, each revolving around their own galactic center, blissfully unaware of the impending celestial tango. However, as we draw nearer to the collision, things start to get a bit more interesting. The first major event we can expect to see is a significant increase in our galaxy's gravitational pull. As Andromeda looms closer, the combined gravitational forces of the two galaxies will start to pull on the stars and celestial bodies within them, causing them to move in unpredictable ways. This gravitational tug-of-war will also trigger a burst of star formation. You see, when galaxies come close to each other, the increased gravitational pull can cause gas clouds within them to collapse, triggering the birth of new stars. So before the collision, we can expect a spectacular fireworks display of star birth throughout our galaxy. And what about our night sky? Well, as Andromeda inches closer, it will appear larger and brighter in our sky. Its spiral arms, currently a faint smudge to the naked eye, will become clearly visible, transforming our night sky into a breathtaking cosmic spectacle. But don't get too comfortable with this new celestial view. As we approach the end of the pre-collision period, our night sky will change dramatically once again. Andromeda will dominate the sky, appearing much larger than our own Milky Way due to its closer proximity. But that's just the beginning. The real show starts when the galaxies start to merge. When two galaxies collide, it's not like a car crash, it's more like a cosmic dance. A beautiful dance, choreographed by the forces of gravity, played out on a stage that is the universe itself. So what exactly happens when galaxies like ours and Andromeda decide to tango? Well, it's a dance that takes billions of years to complete. During this time, these galaxies will twist, stretch, and merge, creating a spectacle that's truly out of this world. Now you might be imagining stars crashing into each other, creating stellar fireworks, right? That's a common misconception. In reality, stars are so far apart that they're unlikely to collide. Instead, they'll do a gravitational dance, changing their orbits but continuing to shine on. But the gas clouds within galaxies, now that's a different story. These clouds are much larger and closer together. When galaxies collide, these gas clouds can smash into each other, creating shockwaves that trigger the birth of new stars. This is why galactic collisions often lead to a burst of star formation. And what about the supermassive black holes that lurk at the center of galaxies? In a cosmic dance like this, they too get to play a part. As the galaxies merge, these black holes will gradually move towards each other, eventually merging to form an even larger black hole. But don't worry, we're not talking about a black hole large enough to gobble up our newly formed galaxy. Instead, this black hole sits at the center, like a conductor, orchestrating the movement of stars and gas around it. In the end, our Milky Way and Andromeda will have transformed into a new, larger galaxy. It's a process that's violent and beautiful, destructive and creative all at the same time. In the grand scheme of things, this cosmic dance is a spectacular but slow process. It's a testament to the incredible dynamism and complexity of our universe. And it's a reminder that even galaxies with their billions of stars and vast expanses of space are not immune to change. So, what happens after two massive galaxies collide and merge? Picture this: a cosmic dance between two galaxies, twirling in a ballet of starlight and gravity, ultimately culminating in a dramatic fusion. The aftermath of this collision is just as fascinating as the event itself. After the dust settles, literally and figuratively, we find ourselves in a new, larger galaxy. This isn't just a mashup of the previous two, it's a transformation, a rebirth of sorts. The structures of the merged galaxies have altered dramatically. The spiral arms of the galaxies, once clearly defined, may be more chaotic, more haphazard. The core, once a singular point, may now be a dual core or even a supermassive black hole. And what about our own little corner of the universe, our solar system? Well, despite the dramatics of a galactic collision, the actual impact on our solar system is speculated to be minimal. You see, galaxies, despite their grandeur, are mostly empty space. The chances of a direct hit between stars or planets are astronomically small. However, the gravitational changes caused by the merger could send our solar system on a new trajectory. We might find ourselves in a different part of the galaxy, with a new cosmic backdrop, a different neighborhood of stars. Yet it's not all chaos and change. There are also opportunities for new star formation. The collision could compress clouds of gas and dust, triggering the birth of new stars. We might see a burst of stellar creativity, a cosmic renaissance painting the sky with new constellations. All these changes, though, won't be happening overnight. They will take millions, even billions of years to fully manifest. The universe, as always, is playing the long game. But don't worry, this event won't be happening for another 4 billion years. So, for now, we can sit back, relax, and enjoy the cosmic show, knowing that our galaxy's dance card is filled for the foreseeable future. In the face of such a colossal event, one can't help but ponder about our place in the universe. We, humans, are a curious species. We probe, explore, and seek to understand the universe we inhabit. When we learn about events like our impending collision with Andromeda, it's not fear that overtakes us. Rather, it's a profound sense of awe and wonder. These celestial events, as dramatic and monumental as they are, serve as reminders of our humble position in the cosmic order. They underline the fact that we are part of something much larger, something ever-evolving and incredibly dynamic. They show us that the universe is not a static entity, but a vibrant, ever-changing tableau of cosmic events. The impending collision with Andromeda, billions of years from now, is not an end, but a beginning. It's a transformation, a new chapter in the grand cosmic story. It's a reminder that change is the only constant in this universe, and we are a part of that change. These cosmic events give us perspective. They remind us that we are not the center of the universe, but a small part of a vast cosmic dance. A dance choreographed by the laws of physics, played out on a stage billions of years old. Remember, we are but a tiny speck in this vast universe, participating in a cosmic dance beyond our comprehension. So, there you have it, a cosmic journey from the present to billions of years into the future. We've traversed the timeline from the looming pre-collision era through the breathtaking galactic merge to the post-collision aftermath. We've seen the transformation of our night sky, the reshaping of galaxies, and the birth of new celestial bodies. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the universe. Please leave a like and subscribe, it really helps me a lot. Stay curious, stay fascinated, and as always, keep looking up.